Hello, this is Ron from Ron's RC and Drone channel here. I'm doing a, a mail time video today from my good friend Birdman316. I had sent him a box of stuff the other day. You may want to check out his video. I'll leave the link today. And he sent me something today. Something from, I think, 2015. I guess I take the Wayback Machine to 2015. This is the 3DR solo drone, and it looks like Mike has fixed it up with a bunch of nice stickers here, so it'll be uniquely mine. It's a good size drone. It's a heavy drone. It comes with a one battery here, and it's like a piece of foam in here to keep it from connecting, so that's good. Mike has put some red tape on the front legs so you can have a good orientation when you fly, so you won't lose your orientation. It is a GPS drone. You know, it's an intelligent GPS drone, so I mean it will come home and you know, all that stuff. You know, won't you know, if you get confused with orientations, GPS is not going in place. So that's the drone and the battery, which we already went over. This is the remote controller. It's a very nice controller. It's got some good weight to it, as does the 3DR Solo. Looks like it has a little LCD screen here, place to hold your phone. It looks like it's big enough to even get like a small tablet in there, like an iPad mini 4. And here's your antennas. Got two nice adjustable antennas. You got like a nice switch up there. It looks like it's a camera angle switch if you have the gimbal for it, which I don't. And on this side here, it's a scroll wheel. You know, maybe that's for, who knows what that's for. We'll find out. I believe it's a rechargeable. Yep, it's got a rechargeable battery in it, so you don't need to put regular batteries in. It's got several buttons here. It's got a power button. It's got a place, important thing, it's got a place for a lanyard strap, which is nice, and the gimbals feel, you know, real nice and good. Got a pause button, return home button, a fly button, flight options button. So so it looks like a real nice TX remote controller. Mike also sent the HDMI out-in cable, an extender, which I'm going to try to fly the. I'm going to try to use the GoPro Hero 7 on this baby. I've seen some videos where people have got it to work, so we're going to give it a shot. I got a couple little accessory boxes here. It's a little bit of paperwork and a setup guide and an installation guide for the soles, so I'm sure that'll come in handy. And here's some more material. I'm not going to pull it out because you can never get this stuff back together again. Here we have a nice good sized charger here and a plug. Looks like it in that box. This packaging is all very upscale. Looks like Apple or DJI type packaging. And here I have another power plug. This is probably for the remote controller here. And here I have a bunch of props here. It looks like I have looks like I have 6 props here, so I got 2 backups. And that's it for the unboxing. Thank you, Birdman316, aka Mike Cruz, for sending this. Now I'm about to get setup guides out, see about getting this thing set up. I know Mike said it was important to calibrate the IMUs and the compass, of course, for my area. So he set a video on how to do that. So I'm going to be busy today, and when I get everything charged up, hooked up, and I'll be back with a follow-up video. I may not get to fly for a while because Rain's on the way, and I think it's going to rain for at least 24 hours or so, so I'm going to be mostly experimenting inside. So again, welcome back to summer 2015 and the debut of the new 3DR Solo smart intelligent photography drone. All right, thanks for joining us, and I'll see you on the next one, as they say.